Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So it's been a long time, not a long time. I ideally upload something. However, in this video, what we are going to do is there was time when me and my friend created a project. It's basically a note app. So my friend was learning React and he made a project which is just the note app, and it's the basic one. And then what I did is I did some chat GPT, okay, to be very honest, to make it the UI fancy and etc. But right now he called me and he said that he's facing some issue. Okay, so what we are going to do in this video, that we are going to solve this issue, and for more we will do something extra in this. Okay, so the friend will be happy, I will be happy, and the project will be will become good. So he can and I can mention this project in the resume. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so this is my screen, and this is the project, obviously. So it's been long time since I pulled this code, and you know this runs not this runs we have a server and the client for this project, the node was, and this is the server link, but this is the local host, and I don't know which one you know for the production. So just very quickly, what we can do, let me open the LinkedIn, because on LinkedIn he posted that project. So I need the project link for what, to know the backend URL. Okay, either I can talk with him and get. I will show you what the how this is. Okay, so my friend's name is Omkar, and if you open the profile, then you will see the recent project of Node was. Okay, so let me open this. This is very basic one, guys. Okay, because he was just learning the React, because he is the one who has experience in Angular. Okay, and he was learning React new, you know. So it's taking time to load. I don't know why, but yeah, the images are open. So if you see, this is very basic one. This is the login page, and here I did the chat GPT. Okay, and this is the home page, and once you add some sort of notes, then it will be look like this. So, and this is how you can view the node. Okay, and you can edit, and this is a dashboard where it shows the total nodes, the tag summary, and recent nodes. In every node we can tag something, so it will show the tag summary. Okay, I hope. And this is the about page. This is also designed by GPT. Okay, so it's important to know that doing GPT is not a wrong thing. Okay, it's a very time efficient way to build the projects. The project idea, okay, the project idea is more important, and your skills are more important. If you are able to use that GPT in your project, so means that you have a pretty good understanding of that code. Okay, so yeah, let's debug something, and let me open the link of the project. So yeah, it's open. If you see, this is the client side, it you know deploy on the WhatsApp. And if you see, for the dark mode, the font is not visible. So as I said, it is very basic. So that's why I picked this project. What we are going to do, we'll make this medium level at least. Okay, so if you click on the sign up, then it will show like this, and I will open the network tab. If you did not know the how to open the network tab, so what you can do is shift plus the command or the you know control button if you are using the Windows, and then C. So it will open this. Either you can do something like right click and then see the inspect. Okay, so it was pretty simple, and then open the network tab. Now here you will see all the requests made by this website. Okay, now let's put up something data here. Okay, so let's put the Krishna, and email address will be hello@gmail.com. Why? Because we are not verifying the email right now. That is why we can do anything that we want here. So our password is done, and when you click on the login, then I hope the request is getting fired. So this is the payload of the request, and here is the backend URL. Okay, so I hope we did. Yeah, so it's taking a huge amount of time to load the user, and if you see, it's making request and request and request. It's sort of, we are facing the dependency issue. Okay, uh let's fix. Okay, and for that what I'm going to do, this is the URL that I will change with the production one. Oh hi. Okay, let me copy again. Which one was the URL? Okay, this is copy, and this is paste here. And you don't need this API, just need this one. Yes, I think we are ready to go. Okay, so let's fix this one first. The welcome to Noteverse. Okay, so the best way to debug things is copy this one. Okay, and paste it here. So you'll find that exact thing. Okay, and here if you see FW bold, and so yeah, as a pro developer, what you can do, you can copy this and open the chat GPT and paste it here. Make sure that it follow the you know dark and light mode. This is bootstrap CSS. Okay, and also make it more fancy and UI professional. Okay, so this is how I supposed to do here. This is how I do things. Okay, so that is why the AI is here. Okay, if you are not using the AI will use you. So I'll put this here. What is happening? So yeah, put this here and just use effect here, and make sure that you are importing use effect. And now the next one is sign up. Okay, so after sign up, let me see where is the sign up button. Okay, once you sign up, you will redirect to the slash sign up. Yeah, and we have this data. Okay, so what I'm thinking is to add the OTP things here, but for now just fix the current things. Okay, so where is the sign up? So this is our sign up. What I'm doing is, when I click on the handle submit, then I will check the name and the password. If everything is good, then I will make the request. This is kind of post request, and this is how it works. And we have the data, and check the response is good. If not, then do these things, otherwise do these things. Add token and successful things, and you will navigate to slash home. Okay, let's go on slash home. Okay, this is our home. Then for it we have add notes and the note session. And if you could remember that for every, when we log in, then it was showing the multiple requests. So let's see what is happening here. So first we have the filter nodes, a context and some states, and this is our use effect. In use effect we are having token, and then checking that particular token is available. If not, redirect, otherwise get nodes. And this is a function. Where is this function? Okay, inside the context, sorry, and inside the context, and we have the get nodes here also, and this is navigate. So let's remove this dependency, then check for, okay, this is very invalid logic according to me. So instead of in the use effect, okay, you need to check this for the first time. Okay, here, then if the things are not going as they accordingly, then immediately do this thing. Okay, navigate, and once you have the all the things, then you will ready for get nodes. Okay, and this will be for one time, right? And let me see, for model, for add node handle, we have some sort of things. Then for edit, we are not facing any problems for these two. That is why we are just ignoring. Okay, now it seems good for me. Okay, so let's do an request again. gmail.com 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. Let's sign up. Okay, it's pretty good. And if you see, only 2 requests. Okay, so now it is good. And if you see, again we have the black text on black background, so it now looks good. Okay, see, so this is now it is. Let's add one note. Okay, so it was the validation. We'll see later how we can implement the OTP stuff. So yeah, in next video we'll make it more advanced, and we'll implement the OTP stuff and the other things also. And thanks for watching.